Thank you for giving me the possibility to address the Human Rights Council of the United Nations. I am Shamil Albakov, English representative in the North-Caucasus Nations Committee and its vice chairman. I am also honorary consul of the Chechen Republic of Ichkeria. In the name of Cojep organization, I denounce the multiple violations of human rights of North-Caucasus people throughout the centuries. Russia committed multiple crimes against Chechens, Ingush, Circassians, Nogai, and many other people. Mass killings, the deportations, the genocide multiplied. And since the beginning of the war in Ukraine, Russia sent thousands of young men from the North Caucasus to be killed in Ukraine. Some days ago, an English young man who was sent to the war in Ukraine was tortured and killed by hanging by the Russian soldiers, only for the reason that he refused to go to the front line and to kill Ukrainians and to be killed himself. Such cases are multiple. Thousands of Chechens and Ingush fled their homeland, but they are systematically rejected and returned by force to Russia. We appeal to the Human Rights Council of United Nations to help us to defend our rights and to help us achieve our right to self-determination and our independence. Thank you for your attention.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi Os Ukraine قاطع أبين والله كان كور رشيد دودارова يخش دودارov رشيد غاسخش حل إلاوس شتورما وقوة أتكازا وخا شيء حلو إنه عند عدد داتسار إنه تنكارتر أختش ده هاتسار видно что ди следующий там их ида следующий опцен حلو إن следующий هاتسو вот аж азатос это ради вежришь группа через